Here we have raventools.com, and I mentioned this in other parts of the course. They give you a 30-day free trial. It comes with almost all the functionality of the real thing. But once you get to the home page here, you want to click on sign up for free. You don't have to enter your credit card information either. It's just an email confirmation thing. So this is what you get once you've confirmed your email address. This is like your dashboard with Raven Tools. If you go over to the left, you'll see a number of different categories. You click on Research and then Research Central. And what you can do is enter a keyword, a URL, or a domain. So just to get away from the bicycle example for a second, I did a search for, I think I did a search for best food blogs, and this came up. So I clicked on one of them, and it's a website called loveandlemons.com. If you were to put this URL, and you could do this for any URL, you could do this for your competitors, you could do this for yourself. It's going to take data from Majestic SEO, Moz, and a couple of others. But once it's analyzed it, you're going to get this basic data on the front page. Right now, we're just concerned about keywords. I'm going to go through some of these other features in different parts of the course. But if you click on keywords on the left here, it's going to give you keywords that are mentioned on that page. So if you found a keyword here that you thought might be beneficial, you just want to save them all, you could export them as a CSV. Yeah, that's the export as a CSV. You can only do that with the paid version, I'm sorry. For now, you can grab some of these keywords, add them to your own Excel spreadsheet. But let's say you wanted to research a particular keyword. Maybe you wanted to find even more keywords based on that one. If you click on the little gear icon over on the right side, it's going to bring up this page, and you can either research the word that you clicked on next to the gear icon, or you can type in your own. So let's say we wanted to research Caesar salad. Maybe we also had a food blog and we wanted to come up with new ideas for posts. So these would be some of the top results for a search for Caesar salad, and you could see what they're writing about, what their pages involve. See what you could do better. And then you get some alternative words for Caesar salad, broccoli salad, cucumber salad, potato salad. That's Raven Tools, another option, another way to figure out some good keywords, find out your competition, and just become a better person overall.